Hi everyone, well I'm back. Round versus square. Which do you think is which? Is it the left or is it the right? Is it the right or is it the left? Which is square? Can you tell by that one? I'm stood on a chair looking down, so yeah, what do you think? Can you tell? Can you tell which is which? And let's tip the camera a bit. Can you see the sparkle? Right, I'll get down a little bit and then so I can move around. So I daren't move on the chair because I'll be flat on my back. So what do you think? I'll come down a bit. See the sparkle on the left compared to the sparkle on the right. I think they both sparkle about the same, if I'm truthful. It's hard to really capture a sparkle on. You can see it there, look, whizzing on the neck. On there. So if we get a close look, that's the one. It's face. We'll concentrate on the face because that's easier. That's the one. And that's the other one. Can you tell? If you look really carefully, you can see which is which, but I have to say I love doing both of them because I absolutely love this image. I think she's beautiful, and I thought comparing the two, because it's got a heck of a lot of confetti in this. Oh my god, confetti city. Apart from one little bit in her neck, the rest was confetti. So I bought these. One's a Huacan, one's an Evershine, although the sister company, because I couldn't get both from one company, so I had to do it that way. They're both 30 by 40, true to size. The round was £7.46. The square was £7.64, so 18 pence between the two. The round took me about 11 days, the square 12 days, so really nothing in it because I might have worked a bit more on one or the other each day. As I say, I loved the rounds. Drill quality was really, really good on the rounds. That one was from Huacan. And then the square one was from Evershine. And oh my gosh, talk about popping drills. Pop, 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 pop. I've been over it and they've popped again. So I'm going to have to really glue the square one down. So have you sussed it yet? So what are my thoughts on it? Oh, I'm holding the camera, so I have to... Sorry for any shaking. Well, let me put my glasses on. I'll probably see a little bit better. Oh, look at that. Clearer images now. See, I like both of them. If I get in close like that, I prefer the one on the left face, because the one on the right looks really white. If you... What am I from there now? I'm on about 2.5 foot away. But if I go zoom away, so I lift it up, I think the one on the right looks better than the one on the left. Sorry, I can't keep you up there. I can't keep my arms up there. So I think the one on the left is better close and the one on the right is better further away. Don't know what you think. Colour-wise, I do think the one on the right's colours are more vibrant than the ones on the left. I think they're more darker, if you can see what I mean. They just seem to be a bit more vibrant on the right. Except for the leaves on the left, I think they're more colourful than the ones on the right. You know, the ones that are falling, hang on, there. See the leaves there? They're more brighter than these ones here. But I think that seems to be more clearer and brighter, whereas that's the darker colours. And here, her skin tone is a lot darker, but brighter here. But she looks white there and a nice brown there. But as I say, when you come further back, her skin looks better than that one. So, and they say they're supposed to be viewed further away. I mean, the further you come, look at it. The one on the right looks better. But you come nearer, and it's the one on the left. So I'll tell you, I'll put you out your misery. That one's a round. That one's a square. So left for round, right, I should have did it the other way, shouldn't I? And round, right for square. So if I zoom you in, you can see, look. See, and you can see all the gapping and popping, and you can just see it everywhere here. Look at it. You just feel them all bumping up in the neck, everywhere. You can see them here, look. There. Just, oh. And that one, see. But I think the sparkle on the round is better. Slightly better if I'm truthful, if I wanted to be picky. And that's the rounds. If I did the same with the square, I don't think the sparkle is quite the same as the rounds. It's there, but don't get me wrong, but you do that with the, and you can see a better sparkle. But so really, excuse me, rounds are easier to do. Squares take a lot more time, and if they're popping, they drive you insane, which you don't usually get that much with rounds. You can get it, but it's very rare. The canvases themselves were perfect. They were really sticky. The symbols were really, really easy to see. I can't fault them at all. So we've got to stay on this experiment. I see it's purely preference, whether you like round or square, and how you like to look at faces, whether you'd like the darker one or the lighter one. So I don't know what you lot think. Tell me which you think is the best. Which do you think? The round or the square? I like both. I'd be pleased with either one, I got to admit. My friend Sam's going to have one, which will frame, but I'll let her choose which one she wants once I've glued them. So yeah, there you go. It's only short and sweet. I mean, I could go more in depth, but no. You know me, I like simple. But as you can see, the colours are similar in some places, completely different, because the earrings, that, look at the earrings there, and the colour of the earrings there, so completely different. But that must be how they figure it out when they do it. So yeah, thanks for stopping by, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed my little experiment, leave a comment below. Leave a comment below which you think it is, which you think is the best, I should say. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing me if you have subbed me. If you feel like subbing me and watching more videos, just press the old subscribe button. There is a bell by the side of it if you want to be notified when I put up more or when I go live. Yeah. So that's it, finished. So take care, look after each other, and see you all soon. And sorry for the shaky camera because I'm trying to hold it in my hand. Bye for now.